Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to transfer files with using Cloud Drive on your Mac Mini. You have to start by open the browser and now you should enter to Cloud Drive. So I will use it Google Drive. So I write it, now search, then sign it, and I'm in the cloud. Now I've created a folder here, so I'm just open it and then I drop a file what I wanna send to my another device. Here we go, I have it. Now I should open Google Drive on my phone. So I'm just entering here, go to Files, then to my folder, click on three dots and download. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.